What's up guys, B-Rob here, and today I got a very special lesson for you. For those of you who have been trying to learn how to make your pecs move, I am going to give you a little tutorial. I'll be right back. Alright, thanks for coming back to me. Yeah, I'm getting a little silly with this one, but today what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to do this. See that? I can do one at a time. I can do it to music, which there's no music playing, but I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to make your pecs dance, and I'm going to give it to you in three different steps. And so the first one is you have to grow some. So you have to grow some pecs. Sorry, but you can't make something dance that you don't have. So you have to grow some, and in order to do that, subscribe to this at thisisbrob.com, and I will send you some great tips, workout tips, nutrition tips, and things like that. That way you can go grow some pecs and then you can make them dance. So make sure go do that, and then once you grow some pecs, come back, and then you can watch this video and pick up at number 2. Number 2 is you have to develop a mind-muscle connection. So the way that I did this early on, after I grew some pecs of course, is what I did is I sat there and I would grab my pec and move it, and then I would try to visualize what it's like moving it with my brain. And so then once that happened and I created that mind-muscle connection, then I was able to move them. And then that brings me to number 3. Number 3 is you just have to practice. Alright, so after you practice a little bit, and again, if you have to sit there and move it until you make that connection, and then you can do that on your own. So use your hand to move it, make the connection, then do it on your own. Then you just have to stay in practice, and before you know it, you can do it at will, and it becomes a superpower. All right. So this is quick, just some tips on how you can make your pecs dance. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. This is B-Rob.